what I want to do today is take the peach and try to do a kind of a sauce reduction, whatever you want to say with it. What I have here, I have the grape juice from my Concord grapes, and I'm going to use the grape juice today. I'm going to use a little orange liqueur. I'm going to actually do a flambé. That's why I positioned the camera away from here. I'm going to use the peaches that I want to finish, but I want to do a nice sauce. I have a shallot, a little ghost pepper, little ginger. The ghost pepper is going to be finely chopped, and it's not going to be very hot, as you can see, but I do want it to have a heat undertone to the dish I'm making. It's a sauce, but it's going to go very well with something which is hot and sweet. Mince the shallots finely. That's the mincing action going in. The ulu knife is pretty sharp. I mean, you can see how sharp this is. And then I'm going to do the mincing action back and forth. So it's going to be ginger forward. As you can see, I'm using this much of ginger, which is like a slice of ginger. It has bold flavor. It's not a lot of. So I got balsamic vinegar, which is very flavorful. It'll go very well with fruits. So this is going to be a fruit compote of sorts. That's there. Put that in. Let it sweat a little. Once the liquid is gone, I'll add the. Put that in. I'll add the alcohol. This is a. So, if I remember right, you can put a little bit of the. I'll put a little bit of the juice. Let it reduce because I want that grape juice taste to go into the shallots, and sweat out of the juice I want to part there. So all this is kind of going down a little. Hold on. I'll put you guys later. Actually, I'm going to brulee this too. So you know what? I'm going to put the alcohol on top of this. It's going to burn the caramelize the peaches also a little bit, which is not a bad thing. Because I want the peaches to smell a little grapey. So let it boil and reduce a little bit before I flambe, and then I'll flambe. And the way to catch the flame, that's why I started on this shallow pot, because that's how you're supposed to catch the flame, right? Make it in high heat. So my alcohol goes in. This is going to be about, let me measure the alcohol before pouring in. It's about half, 1/4 cup. So 1/4 cup is about 2 ounces of alcohol, right? And then the grape juice was about 3/4 cup, I think. And then here you see, it's not a big flambe because there was too much. I don't know if the flambe is showing up or not. It is there. Flames are coming in. So this is burning off the alcohol, right? And creating that heat, which is actually burning my pan too, but we have to fix that. There. Burning off all the alcohol there. So alcohol all burnt now, gone. Have a little acidity back and give a little earthiness. Very little, like 1 teaspoon is what I put in there. To be cooled down. Either serve like this or you can blend it and give it as a coulis. The color is brown because of the grape juice and the balsamic and everything together, right? You can lean into it and make it darker brown. Or, I mean, brown is good. Brown is good food. That's what everyone says. So I don't mind if it's brown. You can also color it if you want to lean more into. And if I microplane the orange, I can do it again. I have a little more orange left. I can do it this side. I think a little bit more. So it's zesting the orange. It's called a microplane. This is the tool. You can also have a zester, which takes like strips, but a microplane works too, whatever you have in your kitchen, right? Then I took it out. There's this little strips in the microplane that I'm adding, and you can see how yellow it is from the essential oil. And that's it. It's the chutney with grape juice, orange liqueur, and balsamic vinegar, shallots, and ginger and ghost pepper.